Hi guys, welcome back. Although I've already made a video with this machine source 1 on the Vulnhub. However, in this video, I utilize the MetaSploit to penetrate into the machine. In this video, I will use or I'd like to take manual way to exploit, okay? And also, I'd like to take this opportunity to make a summary on various techniques to get initial foothold by running some sorts of reversal commands. Okay, so there will be a lot of very useful information for you guys. Without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch over to the Linux VM. Of course, in this video, I will not start from scratch. I've already made the clone from the GitHub. And so this is the exploit. This is the Python script, Python code. And we can run like Python and exploit. And we can press enter. And it can give us the usage. And we need to specify the target IP address. And also the port number. This case is 10,000. And followed by the command to run. Okay, as you can see, we can successfully execute the command ID, and the result is looked wonderful, right? So it means that we do not need to do any privilege escalation if we can get the initial shell on the target. Okay, and also can run command like wmi or maybe ls. As you can see, the files and the directories can be retrieved from the target. Okay, so now we need our objective here, or our goal here is to get the shell, get the foothold on the target. How to do? Because here we can run command, and it's obvious that what we have to do. And we can run some reversal command. And also, of course, we need to take different techniques. And the different techniques would be, suitable for different situations. So I'd like to summarize here. The first one, we can run some, commands directly. And you can get it from like a pen test monkey. A website monkey, and for example, of course, the first way for me, I always to check to use the netcat, and if this one doesn't work, because netcat the command is very easy to remember, we do not need to copy and paste commands. Okay, however, if this way doesn't work, and we can try the second sorts of techniques, run commands directly. And for example, you can run a command like this one. We can copy. And if this one doesn't work, and then we can, sometimes we need to put the bash and put it here. And if this one still doesn't work, we can try this one. I always take this methodology. We can try this one. And if this one doesn't work as well, and then we can try the Python. Oh, maybe this one is not a complete command. We can go to another website. So we can copy the command with Python, and we can copy and paste in here. Of course, before we can run this command, we need to check the Python version by which Python. If which Python doesn't retrieve any result, it means that Python 2 is not there. and then we can run Python 3. Okay, so I think you have really got my idea. Okay, and however, if these commands cannot work, and we can try the next technique, which is also so fantastic. We can use a Q, and we need to create the shell script or bash script, and the command will be put into such a script. Okay, and then we can set up the web server by Python on the Kali Linux, and then we can run command Q and IP address of the Kali Linux and the shell sh, and we need to pass to the like a bash, and to get the foothold. Sometimes maybe this one tunnel symbol will be filtered, so we can use this way, like wget. First of all, we can download or upload, from the perspective of the Kali Linux, this should be the upload, and upload this shell script to the target, and then we can change mode, or maybe we just run bash and shell, or alternatively we can change mode, and then we can run this shell script. Okay, and another very important technique is, especially if the target has some sort of the firewall or filtering control, we can use we can encode the command. Okay, for example, we can copy. For example, I just use it as example. We can echo, and as you can see, we have already got the encoded command, and then we can copy, and then we can use the echo, and then we can tunnel to the first of all we need to decode this string, and then tunnel to bash. Okay, so I think basically there will be 4 categories of techniques which can help us to get the initial shell on the target. So let me show you in practice afterwards. Okay, and now first of all we need to set up the listener first on the Kali Linux, and now we can run command, for example, like a Python exploit and IP address, and of course I want to this command is very easy to understand, or very do not need to I think you have already got an idea. Okay, and now we can hit enter. However, we didn't get the collection from the target. So next we can try, for example, we can try this one and try this one, also this one, but I don't think, maybe I can try this one. We can remove it, and we need to change the port number and also the IP address of the attacking machine. Press enter. Doesn't work. Okay, so of course if you want you can try one by one, but to save the time of this video, I'd like to try the third technique. So how to do? We can vim shell, we can create, maybe I can use another file name, prevent from conflict, okay, from the existing shell script on the target, and we can copy this command, and we need to do some modification, and okay, right, and quit, and we need to set up the web server on the Kali Linux, and now we can run exploit, and we can first use Q IP address of the Kali Linux shell, and then we can tunnel to bash. Okay, so now we can press enter. It looks like it's working as we expected. As you can see, it does work. And now we can navigate to root directory, and then we can get out the root flag without any issue. So that's pretty much it I like to do in this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.